Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Okay. And here we have to scroll and find Biometrics and Password. Then let's tap on Fingerprint ID. And of course, if you do not have a regular screen lock, your device will ask you to add it. It's important and it is necessary. You will not be able to add the fingerprint without it. Of course, you can change unlocking method. You can choose the pattern or pen or whatever. So let me quickly set the pattern. Okay, tap on done. And now we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So for example, unlock device, access safe, access app lock, or autofill user names and password. Or you can simply tap on new fingerprint and then after that decide what do you want to use the fingerprint for. I will choose simply unlock the device, and here we've got the information what we have to do. So we've got the fingerprint zone, which is right here. Let's tap on add fingerprint. Now we have to put our finger on the sensor, and now let's do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, all of the edges, as you can see, all of the parts. Alright, again. Alright, let's tap on OK, and here we've got more options. So for example, we can change the fingerprint animation. As you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. So for example, this water blaze, totally up to you, just choose the one which you like. Let's go back. This is the fingerprint list, so this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. You can add up to 5 different fingerprints and identify fingerprints. So basically, if you've got more than one fingerprints added, you can check which fingerprint you are putting on the sensor. So for example, you can remove some suspicious fingerprints. So for example, if someone has added the fingerprint to your device, you can remove it because you can check which fingerprint it is. It will be highlighted. Alright, so now all we have to do is to simply lock the device and check if it is working. So let me do it. We've got this fingerprint sensor, so let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.